Good morning, my wonderful learners. How are you all? I hope you are blessed and highly favored. Once again, you are welcome to mathematics class, and I'm still your facilitator, Sir Charles Kromo, Chief Nzonzo in 1. Good. Today we are going to wrap up our indicator on the running of numbers. So today what we are going to do is we are going to solve or work more examples under how to run all the numbers to the nearest 1,000, 100, and tens. So if you look at our indicator today, we have a recall on. The recall means revision. We are recalling on random numbers. And if you come to the side of it, say what? Random numbers to the nearest 1,000. Today we are going to do all 100 and tens. Good. So look at it very carefully. We have examples on the board. I wish we have done this one and give it to you, but I'm going to guide you because I'll give you an assignment based on the arrangement that I've done over here for you to do it for me. Good. So we know our rules already, or let me quickly take you back since we are doing a recall. The rule says for the first part, first of all, identify the place that you want to run. Always check the digit behind. If the digit behind is what? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. What do? We add 1 to the number that we are rounding and we change the rest to zeros. Good. Then again, if you are rounding the numbers, you also check, when you check and the digit is what? Is 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. You change that digit behind, whether it is 4 or whatever, you change that 4 and the rest of the digit behind to 0. Very good. So today we are just going to work more examples on it, then we are done. So let's look at our first question. We have A, run to the nearest 1,000. You have to run to the nearest 1,000. This 3 numbers, you are going to run to the nearest 1,000. So let's run it quickly. We are going to our answer. So where is 1,000? We have ones, tens, 100, and 1,000. So this is our 1,000. What do? Check the digit behind. The digit behind is 3. So that is the second rule. If it is 3, what do? You change this digit and the rest to 0. So our answer is going to be what? 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. Good. So we are done with our first one. Let's move on to the next one. So let's identify it to the nearest 1,000. So we have ones, tens, 100, and 1,000. So we underline the 1,000. Check the digit behind is 1. So it means this one too is going to, we are going to change it. So let's change it 7, 0, 2. We can't add 1 to the 2. You know the result because the digit behind is 1. So the 1 will change to 0, the 4 will change to 0, and the 3 will change to 0. Then let's move on to the next one over there. Good. Run to the nearest 1,000. Who can tell me the 1,000 place is what? Is a 6. The digit behind is 2. So our answer is going to be 5, 2, 6, 0, 0. Is it clear? Oh no, let me take it again. We have 5, 6. Okay, this is the 6. Okay, so the 2 will change to 0, the 9 will change to 0, and the last 9 will also change to 0. That's good. So we have run the following together. Unfortunately, with our first example, we didn't get any number which was behind that, it was above the 4. But it's an example, so we just need to do it. So let's run to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100, we are running to the nearest 100. So let's first of all identify the 100 place. It's the 7 over here. Check the digit behind. The digit behind 2 is 7. So we'll add 1 to the 7 to become 8. So we are going to get 3, 4, 8. After adding the 1 to it, the 7 will change to 0. And this one will change to 0. Good. Let's move on to the next one. Run to the nearest 100. This is our 100. Let's check the digit behind. The digit behind is 9. So when it is 9, what do? Add 1 to it. So our answer will be what? 6, 5. When you add the 1 to 6, what will you get? 7. Then I will change to 0 and get 0 at this side. Let's move on to the last one for hundreds. The 5 is at 100. The digit behind is 0. So our answer will be what? 2, 4, 5. Since the digit behind is not 5 and above, we'll change this digit to 0. Already it's 0, so we'll write it again and change the 4 to 0. So we are done with it. Let's look at the last part of it, the C. We are running to the nearest tens, which is the one that we learned on Tuesday. So this is tens. Check the digit behind. The digit behind is what? Is 2. So who can tell me the answer? Okay, so tell me the answer once I write it. 7, 6, 7, 7, 0. Very good, you have done very well. Let's move on to the next one. This is our 10th place. Check the digit behind. The digit behind is 9. So we'll add 1 to the 5 and it will become what? 6. So let's write our answer. 6, 2, 3, another 6. I hope you understand. Because of the 9, we added the 1 to the 5. So 6 and the 9 will change to 0. Last part of it and we are done for today. We identify the 10, check the digit behind is 8. So we'll add 1 to the 0. So our answer will be 4, 0, 2, 1. Because we have added a 1 to this one and the 8 will change to 0. This brings us to the end of our today's lesson and at the same time the end of our indicator running of numbers. Good revision is just on the way. Make sure you revise everything that we have learned. Everything that we have learned throughout the 3 months. Because your end of term exams is going to be based on everything. So prepare very well. If you don't understand anything, you can still do the audio and send it to me on WhatsApp and I'll answer you. So see you. Bye bye and Merry Christmas.